If you are wondering what are these ports that we have here at the bottom of Google Pixel 11 Pro, then let me just quickly answer the question for you. So I'm gonna take a look at the bottom side from the display side over here, just like that, just to avoid any confusion. And of course, in here in the middle, we have USB-C port, and that is not a surprise. I think everyone already knows that. But you might be thinking, what are these two things over here on the left and right side right next to the speaker? So, looking from this side over here, this port here on the right side is the microphone. So this might be a little surprise because usually here on the right side we have a speaker, but here on Google Pixel 11 Pro, this is actually the microphone, and speaker is over here. So I'm not sure why they decided to swap, but yeah, here we have the microphone, here we have the speaker, and of course we have USB-C port used, for example, for charging or for connecting with other devices. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.